Have you ever had a plan but needed to put it into action? Today's word is about making ideas real. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is implementation. Can you say it with me? Implementation. Let's spell it together. I-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T-A-T-I-O-N. That spells implementation. Implementation means the act of putting a plan or idea into action. Here are some words that mean the same as implementation. Say them with me. Execution, like carrying out a plan to build your Lego tower. Application, like using math skills to solve a real problem. Enforcement, like following classroom rules during group work. Realization, like seeing your drawing turn into a finished poster. Operation, like starting up a game when everyone is ready to play. Each one shows how implementation means putting an idea into action. Now let's look at the opposites of implementation. Delay, like waiting too long to start your homework. Neglect, like skipping the steps you promised to do. Avoidance, like dodging your chores on purpose. Disregard, like pretending the plan doesn't matter. Interruption, like stopping a project before it's finished. That's the opposite of implementing. Here's a great example. Sofia helped with the implementation of the classroom recycling plan. Quick review. Implementation means the act of putting a plan into action. Synonyms: execution, application, enforcement, operation. Antonyms: delay, neglect, avoidance, disregard, interruption. Implementation shows that ideas are powerful when you act on them. Your challenge: think of a small plan today and put it into action, like cleaning up, finishing homework, or starting a drawing. Great job! You implemented a plan and followed through. Keep putting your ideas into action, explorers. See you tomorrow for Word Up with Sofia.